So I'm assuming now by this time that you've got an understanding on how Elementor works, and as you can see, it's quite simple. It's a lovely little program to use. So what I'm going to show you now is we're going to show you how to edit your header and your footer sections. Okay, so you're going to go back to the dashboard, and you're going to, this time you're not going to go to posts or pages. You're going to scroll down and go down to templates and go down to theme builder. In here you're going to see your footer and your header. Now for this purpose I'm going to open them both up because I'm going to do one tutorial for both, because they're quite quick tutorials. So I'm just going to open them both up. Elementor, and as you can see it says footer and it says header. So there is your footer. So this here is your footer. So if we were to add here, so columns will make that 4. Now you can see it's in line there, which is, sorry, I clicked on the image. There you go. So this is your footer here. This is your row. This is your other row. This is, again, the same thing, how you want to edit it. There's a name there. There's your name and number. There's your Margate. There's your address. There's info sheet. It's self-explanatory again. The nice thing is you can come down and see what it looks like on the mobile. You see, and now, yeah, it's, if you, let's, for example, let's just do this one. So we've got column here. We see the columns on 50%. Let's make that 100. And then we'll put this one, we'll put it in the center. As you can see, it just kind of fits a bit nicer now. We hit update. Play around here, we can push that to the side. Okay, this one, we've got it focusing here. Okay, so you're going to just play around with things. See there. It's a lovely little program. You'd really, when you get into it, you'll really enjoy it. And as you can see, it's very simple. So we're just going to click update there, and then we're going to go header. So now your header is built. So that's basic. Sorry, to come back. That's how you're going to do your footer. Footers are very simple. Footers are very basic. And that's it really. So we're going to close this one because that's how we're going to how you edit a footer. Okay, so your header, as you can see, you've got your logo here, you've got your menu, which here, if you have a look here, you can select which menu you want. That's the main menu that we chose. Now if you want to see, you can change vertical, horizontal, you can make it like that if you want it. Make it whatever way you want. You can underline. This is the pointer, so at the moment we got it hovering, and you play around with anything that you want. Again, you can see what it looks like on the mobile, and there you go. And then what you do is under here you're going to go style, and you click drop down, and then the hover over there, you click on hover, sorry, toggle button, hover, sorry, drop down, background color, let's make it red, and as you can see it's red here. Okay, so we're just going to click undo, so it's a default color. Active, so active, what active is that if we're on the about us page and someone's on the mobile and they click here, it will highlight, it will keep that about us page highlighted. I don't really want that because then if they click, I don't think it looks very nice personally, so that's why we haven't done that. Your image here, you can play around with the sizing of your image. As you can see, you can do whatever you want with it. Your social media icons, there's the link going to social media, there's a link going to your Instagram, your address, there it all is there for you. Play around. If you want to change your icon, click here, and now you've got all these different icons. So as you can see, there you go. Just going to undo that, and that's it really. So we're going to go back to the desktop version, and that's how you play around with it. If you want to make your columns a bit bigger or smaller, that's how you do it. As you can see, very simple.